Guys, this is Sahil and you're watching SciTech. Today we'll be unboxing the Galaxy Buds Live in the Mystic black color. So let's begin. But I have to say you guys, these buds do look a bit different when compared to its predecessor. A bit odd shape. But yeah, let's see. Let's unbox it and yeah. And if you end up liking the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. That would be really helpful. So let's begin. Here's the Galaxy Buds, guys. As you can see, there's an image of it on top of the box, and with the Galaxy Buds Live branding. And turning the box over, you can see some specifications about the product. If you want, you can pause it and just look at it. And coming to the box contents, here we have the Galaxy Buds itself with documentation and an accessory box. Let's keep the documentation aside and come to the main stuff. So here's the Galaxy Buds in Mystic black color. Wow, it does look good. Let's keep it aside, and here's the accessory box. It contains the regular Type-C charger with a pair of extra ear tips. Now let's go to the Galaxy Buds. Have to say, it is small and portable. Wow, this looks really premium, Samsung. Have to say, the regular black also does look good. And here's the charging coil. Yes guys, you can charge it even wirelessly, through the wireless pad. And opening the buds case, here you can see the two buds in the shiny glossy black. Wow, they look like two kidneys, glossy kidneys. Coming to the buds itself, you can see the two charging contact pads for the buds to charge, and multiple microphone poles, for the active noise cancellation and all those stuff. And you can see an LED indicator on the case which shows the pairing status and all those stuff. So yeah, now I guess let's connect to the app. Connecting your buds to the smartphone is really straightforward. And then now going to the Wearables app, you can download it from the Play Store. As you can see, it shows the battery percentage of my buds and the charging case. And there's an equalizer, to set your music modes as you wish. And now coming to the touch controls. Yes guys, this does support touch control. You can play, pause, skip tracks and do other stuff, and double tap to launch the apps and all those stuff. And if you're not into this touch controls, you can just disable it. Coming to the labs, as you can see, there's an option called game mode. I would not recommend you to use a Bluetooth earphone or a headphone for gaming. There's going to be too much of lagging. So I would recommend you to use the wired headphones or earphones to serve you better. Now coming to find my earbuds, if you click on it, the earbuds start ringing, so you can find these buds. So yeah guys, after using these buds for 3 hours, I have to tell you, the sound quality is amazing. Everything is top notch. The only downside is, the fit is not proper for some people, especially with small ears. So yeah guys, if you enjoy the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to comment. So meet you in the next video. Peace.